Konie Maphalaphathwa. Can you guys see that? I see my painting. Hello, hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name Konie Maphalaphathwa. If you're new here, Queen, King, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you're coming back, Queen, King, you're welcome. Thank you so much for coming back. So guys, as you guys saw, I started the vlog. I was cleaning and everything is clean now. It's fresh. But your girl is hungry, dinandara. So last night I prepared a chia seed pudding, so let's do that right now. So yeah, let's go. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Let's go.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. This one I bet you will ja. Me, I no get time. Da. Dada cover my face, calling me ba. Biggie man, we do yeah, ba. What's it going? Chia come, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it going? Chia come, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when you do, I try to do I'm Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money, yeah. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want chop life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it called? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, they get them, ride the whip, I know people die for nothing.
My queens and kings, so you already know when I'm sitting here, it's time for unboxing. Woo! So I was watching, I'm currently watching podcast and chill. And tell me guys, what are you watching on Netflix and Showmax? So on Netflix, I'm watching, I watched Love Lies. The host is Mini Dlamini, and when I tell you that we are guys. Anyways, I'm unboxing something right here. I'm not sure if you will see. I received this on Tuesday, and yeah, let's unbox. I wanted to buy this particular thing last year, right? In color sweet pink, but then it was a limited edition and it went out of stock very fast. And I had like hopes, or at least this year, but like please sweet pink, but no, they did red and yellow. So I was like, let me just get the white one. So it's the famous filled bar. So the owner filled bar. And when I tell you that these right here, it's Lux, they are not lying. Now, so let's open it. I bought mine straight from the website. You can also get it from Yappy Chef in store, but now I wanted it to be personalized. You know me and personalizing, guys. So Carivore, filled by a Marini. Zambables. So I paid 2,500 and something because of the personalizing. So here's my baby. I hope you guys can see it. Here's my babies, my ninnies. So okay, you know, so here we go. I won't open this, and here's the belts. Konie Maphalaphathwa. Can you guys see that? Konie Maphalaphathwa. Can you see? Can you see, guys? Konie Maphalaphathwa. I did my own nails. They are stunning. So yeah, get December, guys. Kiona filled bar, and it's so nice, it's so cute, it's so cute. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Hi my queens and kings, hi Batwanga. So we're currently at year-end function. My friend invited me, so the +1 hour, and yeah, we are going to enjoy watching South Pisa, and yeah, let's go. Can you guys see my painting? I also got a tattoo. I'm enjoying myself, it's cool, but the heat wave, honey, is just too much. I'm also having some cold drink here. Yeah, let's enjoy MTN 30th birthday. Hello Batwanga, hello Batwanga. I just landed home, and honey, when I tell you that Nosra, I am burnt Nosra, okay? Besides that, I enjoyed myself. Thank you to my friend. I really appreciate her. And also guys, I'm back. There's no electricity, there's no water. I need to take a shower. I need to remove this, and this will be the end of the vlog. If you have watched till this far, please do leave a white flower in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment.